Summer is the best time to look your best, but how do you glow up in just 30 days? It's not about luck or expensive treatments. It's about making the right moves now so you can walk into summer looking your best. Here are 5 steps to transform yourself before summer starts. Let's go. Step 1. Fix your water intake. You've heard it before, but proper hydration can change your skin, energy, and overall look. Aim for around 3 to 4 liters, but don't drink it all at once. Spread it throughout the day. You can also add electrolytes like coconut water or tablets to stay balanced. Drink a glass of water before every meal. It helps digestion and prevents overeating. Hydration affects your energy, metabolism, and how clear your skin looks, so don't ignore it. Step 2. Train your full body. It's not just about building muscle, it's about creating a balanced physique. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups. These work multiple muscle groups and boost your metabolism. Add bodyweight moves like planks, lunges, and pull-ups to improve strength and stability. And don't skip legs. Training legs helps increase testosterone naturally and makes your body look more proportional. A balanced body always looks better than just big muscles. Step 3. Improve your sleep. Most people ignore this, but sleep is one of the biggest factors in recovery, mood, and appearance. Turn off screens 30 minutes before bed because blue light affects your sleep. Try to sleep and wake up at the same time every day to fix your internal clock. Keep your room cool, around 18 degrees, for better sleep quality. Good sleep is not optional. When you sleep well, you look fresh and feel better. Step 4. Focus on small grooming details. These small things make a huge difference. You can have a great body, but if you ignore details, it won't show. Trim your nose and ear hair. It's quick but changes your look. If you have a beard, brush it daily to keep it clean and neat. Take care of your lips by removing dead skin with a scrub or even a toothbrush. These small habits make you look sharp all the time. Step 5. Fix your mindset. A real glow-up starts from the inside. How you feel reflects on how you look. Start by practicing gratitude every day, just a few minutes thinking about what you're thankful for. It helps you stay positive. You can also write down your goals and thoughts to stay focused. And most importantly, cut negative influences, whether it's people or bad habits. When your mindset is strong, your confidence grows, and your appearance improves naturally. Save this video, follow these steps for 30 days, and come back to see your progress. Start now, stay consistent, and watch your glow up happen before summer. Don't wait, go do it.